Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is kinetic energy, the energy of motion. Kinetic energy equals 1/2 mv squared. By the end of this, you'll know why doubling speed quadruples kinetic energy and where kinetic energy shows up across the whole syllabus. Kinetic energy is the energy an object has because it's moving. The formula is kinetic energy equals 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. M in kilograms, V velocity in meters per second, kinetic energy in joules. It's scalar with no direction. Three things. 1. Kinetic energy depends on V squared. Double the speed quadruples the kinetic energy. Triple the speed gives 9 times the kinetic energy. 2. Kinetic energy is a scalar with no direction. 3. Every moving object has kinetic energy, from a falling raindrop to a sprinting cheetah. Common slip: forgetting to square the velocity, or squaring it but using the wrong unit. Always meters per second for velocity, kilogram for mass, J or joules for kinetic energy. Quick example: a 50 kilogram cyclist at 8 meters per second. Kinetic energy is 1/2 times 50 times 64, which equals 1600 joules. Double the speed to 16 meters per second. Kinetic energy, 1/2 times 50 times 256 equals 6400 joules, 4 times the kinetic energy. That's why doubling speed is so dangerous in a crash. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology, chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged for each subject. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.